Hello everyone, welcome to Rashmi Home and Education. So today we'll learn class 2, unit 1, chapter 2, picture reading. So in this lesson we'll learn many varieties of game that children will play children. Okay, so what all types of game in this they played, how they enjoyed everything, we'll learn this in this video. Okay, so by seeing this picture, what can you understand? Tell me. So, in this picture, we can see many children are playing different games. And in this picture, we can see tree, birds, everything. Hand pump is there. Everything we can see. Okay. Observe this picture properly and see that what all that children are doing. Okay. So here few questions they have given. So we will answer to that questions. Okay. So first question is, what do you see? So they are asking that what do you see in this picture? We can see in this picture many children are playing different games, and in this plants are there, trees are there. All are enjoying in this. Okay. How many children are there in the picture? So now we have to count that how many total children are there in this. Okay. Let's count children. Okay. Together we'll count. Okay. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and here one boy 17. So total how many are there? There are 17 children are there in this picture. There are 17 children are there in this picture. So next question, what are the children doing? Okay, what are the children doing here? In this picture, the children are playing different varieties of game, and they are enjoying. Next one, how are children having fun? By playing game, children are having fun here. Okay. What games do you play? So here in this picture, children are playing. See, this boy is closing his eyes. So children are playing hide and seek. They are playing with marble. 2 are playing with hand pump. Yes or no? Here they are playing different game. So such game, what do you play? They are asking. What games do you play? They are asking. Which type of game you will play? That you have to write here, children. Okay. See children, if you are getting interest in this video, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the like button. Share to your friends. Okay. Now we'll read next page. Let us read. Out. See, in this, these 2 children are playing different games. So, which all games they are playing and how they are enjoying with this game, we'll see. Okay. It was a holiday. Jeet and Bubbly were playing. This one is Jeet and this one is Bubbly. There was a holiday, so they both are playing. They played many games. Both of them skipped the rope. They played hide and seek. So they played many varieties of game. In that they were skipping the rope. Then they played hide and seek. Okay. Next in this picture what they are playing? See. Bubbly and Jeet decided to play bat and ball. Now next, after skipping, after hide and seek, they planned to play bat and ball. Jeet got ready to throw the ball. So Jeet got ready to throw the ball. Then Jeet threw the ball. Bubbly hit the ball. When Jeet threw the ball, Bubbly also hit the ball. The ball went into Mohit's garden. So when she hit the ball, that time ball went to the Bubbly's garden, Mohit's garden. But his house was locked. They could not find the ball. So the game stopped. So when she hit the ball, that ball went to Mohit's garden. They went to their house, but that house was locked. So they could not find the ball. Because of that, that game stopped. Now next here some sight words are given and new words are given. Let us read, children. Sight words: this, a, how, also, they, after, and, of. Next, new words: skipped, threw, courtyard, gathered, brought, picked. Okay. So while reading this game, I think even you people are wanted to play a game, right, children? So we'll move to next page. Here in this, what they are playing, we'll see. Bubbly knew how to make a ball. They got a few rags, paper and wool. Bubbly also brought a piece of a string. She rolled rags, paper and wool to make a ball. So now Bubbly knew how to make a ball. So she got some things, rags, paper and wool she brought, and even she brought one piece of a string. So with all of that she started rolling that. Then she tied the ball with a string. Then after rolling everything, she tied that with one string. See, here you can see the string. They liked the new ball. The game started again. So they liked that ball. So again they started to play cricket. This time Bubbly picked the ball, Jeet picked the bat. This time they changed. Now Bubbly is going to throw the ball and Jeet is he wanted to hit the bat. Sorry, hit the ball, okay? Because he has taken bat. Bubbly threw the ball. Jeet hit the ball hard. So very hardly he hit the ball. Then what happened? That was not original ball. That ball was made by Bubbly. The ball opened up and scattered in the air. What happened? That ball which she used for that pieces of paper and rags and all, that opened up and scattered in the air. You can see here that scattered in the air. Bubbly jumped and caught a piece of rag. Bubbly jumped and caught a piece of rag. She jumped and shouted, out, out. So she jumped and started shouting, out, out, she started telling. So here this lesson, out, out, will get finished, children. So here some activities are given in this page. So we'll see that. So here some questions are given. We have to answer that questions. First one, what games do you like to play with your friends? So what game you like to play with your friends, that you have to write here. If you like to play hide and seek you can write cricket, football, any other game. Which game you like to play with your friends, that you can write here. Second one, have you played bat and ball? Yes, everyone will play bat and ball, right? If you have played already with your friends, so you can write here, yes, I have played bat and ball, that you have to write. Third one, Bubbly made a ball using few rags, paper, wool and string. Have you tried to play a game using things around you? What did you play? Name the things that you used to play. Talk about it in the class. So, Bubbly used few rags, paper and wool and string. So with that she made a ball and they played cricket. So using such things, which game you played with your friends, that you have to tell in the class, children. With your friends you have to discuss that. So read pages 10 to 11 of the story again and number the following sentences in their correct order. So here few sentences given. So you have to read that sentences according to the page number. Then which sentence will come first, that you have to write. We'll see what are the sentences. Bubbly hit the ball. Jeet threw the ball. The ball went into Mohit's garden. Jeet got ready to throw the ball. They lost the ball. See, first they planned to play a cricket. So that time Jeet got ready to throw the ball. This is first one. Then Jeet threw the ball. Second, Bubbly hit the ball. Third, then the ball went to the Mohit's garden. They could not able to find that ball because Mohit's house was locked. So they lost the ball. Like this, 5 number. These numbers you have to write. This sentence will come according to these number. So we'll move to next activity, children. Read the words below each picture. Here pictures are given. Below that words are given. That words we have to read. An egg. Here egg is there. They have written an egg, an engine, an elephant. Why here an is written means because this word started with vowel. This word started with the letter is vowel. E is a vowel. So whenever the word starts with an vowel, we have to write before that an. Next, a pen, a pencil, a bell. Here why they have written a means these words started with first letter consonant. Whenever the word starts with vowel, we have to write an. Whenever the word starts with consonants, before that we'll write a. Okay? A kettle, a hen, a well. Okay? I think you have understood how to write an article. This is called a and an are called articles. Okay? We'll move to next page, children. Let us read. Read the story out again and fill in the blanks. So out that story was there, no children? According to that you have to answer because these questions are related to that story. First one, write the names of the children in the story. So we have to write the names of that children. First one is Jeet, Bubbly and Mohit. Mohit is the one whose house was locked. Okay. Second one, write the items that the children used to make a ball. So what Bubbly used to make a ball, that things we have to write. Paper, rags and wool. Okay. Next one, write the opposites of the following words. One has been done for you. So here words are given. Here we have to write for that opposite words. One, for example, they have written up, down. So next one is in, out, open, close, fat, thin, hot, cold, small, big. These are opposite of these words. These are opposites of these words. Okay. So you have to practice these opposite words. So next one, join the sentences using and. Write it in the given space. One has been done for you. So here two sentences are given. Using and, we have to make these two sentences as one sentence. Okay. One example they have given for us. First one, Suresh went to school. Gopal went to school. So these two sentences, now we have to make only one sentence using this and. Now what can we write? Suresh and Gopal. Suresh and Gopal went to school. So like this only remaining sentences we have to write. Second one, I like to eat mangoes. I like to eat grapes. Answer is I like to eat mangoes and grapes. Third one, the cat sat on the mat. The dog sat on the mat. Answer is the cat and the dog sat on the mat. Fourth one, this ball has yellow dots on it. This ball also has green dots on it. Answer is this ball has yellow and green dots on it. Fifth one, there are tables in my classroom. There are chairs in my classroom. So answer is there are tables and chairs are in my classroom. Okay. Next one. Here, let us do. Choose a partner. Imagine you both are Bubbly and Jeet. Enact the story. You may use some words from the story for dialogue. So, you can choose any of your partner and you have to play a role of Jeet and Bubbly. And what dialogues they have used in story, that dialogues you can use it and play a story here. Okay. You can play this with your friend, sibling. Okay. Or your father, mother. You can play with them children. So B is ask your grandparents or parents to tell you about a game that they had played in their childhood. Find out about it in detail. The next day speak about it in the class. So now after going home you have to ask your father or your parents or your grandparents which game they would play in their childhood. So ask that game and regarding that game you have to collect the details. Then next day in school you have to talk about that game. Okay children, I think you have understood this complete lesson. So if you have liked this lesson, please click on the like button. Don't skip children. Continuously watch my video. Click on the like button. Share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. If you want, other classes videos are also available in my channel. Please go and watch. Thank you. Bye bye children.